global leader in filtration, we're providing solutions that are helping improve the health, safety, productivity, and sustainability of not just our customers' products, but of the end user products. We're saving energy in applications, we're improving indoor air quality. These things have direct measurable impact on the benefit of the world.
We have a nearly 300-year history of sustainable growth using innovation as our cornerstone. It's in our DNA.
So we have innovated for the last 200 years and will do for the generations to come.
Innovation definitely goes beyond R&D, right? It starts from operations R&D all the way to the back end, the shipping department, where we are constantly looking to improve on how we make products, ship the products, everything. So it permeates throughout the organization.
The technology is extremely exciting. We create nanotechnology solutions that are as complex as rocket science. Whatever we are faced with, I know the R&D people will come up with a solution. Customers can come to us with highly complex problems, and we can help solve them. We have more than 100 scientists working on cutting-edge research.
At H&V, our strength is really within the people. It's kind of like our lifeblood. The people at H&V come from so many different experiences and backgrounds, and I think that that helps us truly cultivate and create something for our customers.
But innovation isn't just new products. It's really about how we approach end users and how we work collaboratively with our customer base to make sure we have the right products and that they're effectively commercialized.
Our ability to innovate starts with our leadership and the fact that it's a family-owned company. And because of this, there's a willingness to take risks to meet new challenges.
Every decision has aimed to create value for future generations of employees. This family ownership and stability has a deep impact in our culture, providing a safe, supportive, and inclusive environment for our employees to grow and thrive.
In our seventh generation, it gives us a long-term view, a level of commitment, a determination to do the right thing and be good stewards of the business in hopes that there'll be future generations that benefit from it. And I think our employees feel that too in a lot of different ways. We have multi-generational employee families that work within H&V, and I think it creates an atmosphere that not a lot of companies have today. We have to serve the global markets locally, to be tuned in enough to what those markets need, what those customers need. We built a global footprint in Asia, in the US, in Europe. We have over a dozen facilities around the world.
We have hundreds of employees in dozens of communities across the globe. That global platform allows us to meet our customers' needs quickly and efficiently, wherever they are.
Our employees are curious, creative, and they continuously innovate to anticipate and solve the filtration and energy needs of the future.
Whatever challenge we're faced with, I know that our technology, our research and development teams will come through with a viable solution. Customers can count on coming to H&V, talking about their problems, and we'll be able to provide solutions.